The damage to factories and retail facilities in KZN will have a significant impact on the economy, jobs and access to goods and services. This impact will be felt both in KZN and across the rest of the country. Some production facilities have been damaged, though fortunately most factories and suppliers' facilities are intact. Work is underway to assess the cost of the damage to property as a result of the unrest. SAPOA, which is the South African Property Organization, have provided estimates to the damages in KZN to the extent that the business owners who are in its members have provided the data. And to date, according to the estimates in KZN alone, in terms of extensive damage, 161 malls were affected, 11 warehouses were affected, 8 factories affected, and 161 liquor outlets and distributors were extensively damaged. And over 200 shopping centers, majority of them were looted and damaged. And over 100 malls were burnt or had significant fire damage. And approximately 3,000 stores were looted. And in KZN alone, they are estimating currently that stock to the value of 1.5 billion rands have been lost in Durban alone. And 1,400 ATMs have been damaged, and 300 banks and post office outlets vandalized. And 90 pharmacies were damaged. 150,000 jobs are at risk as we speak in KZN, and 50,000 informal traders were affected. 40,000 businesses were affected, and they are estimating currently the loss to be 20 billion in KZN. That will be the impact on the KZN GDP. SAPOA will later in the week collate data on the cost of the damage in Gauteng. However, the South African Special Risk Insurance Association, SASRIA, which is the government as the shareholding or the sole shareholder, will conduct an assessment on the full extent of the damage, and the economic cluster of ministers are consolidating proposals for the government package of intervention, including for small businesses that are mostly uninsured.